Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your December read now. Sagittarius, this is for the month of December, just a general read, overall view of your month to see what is coming in store for you, for your love life, your work life, your life in general basically. And these are general collective readings, Sagittarius, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Angel Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of December, and also guidance as to how to go about their month. Thank you. So Saggis, as always, let's start with the Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you as a blessing or an advice for you, and then we'll take one from our angels and start your reading. So, Lord Ganesha, blessing or an advice for my Saggis, please. And let's take one from our angels, blessing or an advice card from our angels for Sagittarius, please. Okay, so this one seems to be, and from my angels, this one, all right. So let's keep these two cards aside, Sagittarius. Let's see what blessings are in store for you for December, and start your reading. So the card I have for you, Sagittarius, from Lord Ganesha is achievement. All right. And from my angels is commitment. So yes, if you have been committed to something for a very long time and you've been working towards it, Sagittarius, please know that Lord Ganesha is blessing you with achievements now, okay, in the month of December. I have no clue what these achievements mean for you, Saggis, but let's open your cards and see where you're headed. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being such a support to the channel. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Thank you for being here, and do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Saggis, let's see what your current energies are, and what you're holding on to, what you should let go of, what your main blockages could be in the month of December, and how people view you, and what is Spirit's secret advice to you. And if any of you need a personal reading, Saggis, my schedule is open for December. You can email me at my email, which is in the description box below. So Saggis, I do have this card of the Five of Cups, bottom of my deck, which means some of you could be looking back at a past soulmate, maybe somebody who was very dear to you, somebody you've known for a long time, and kind of having some regrets over things which maybe didn't work out between the two of you. So yes, this could have been a friendship, this could have been a partnership, marriage, I don't know what, but this is somebody you've known for a long time, and here somebody is looking back at the past with a lot of regret and sorrow for the way things didn't pan out, okay? So, but don't worry, I have the Six of Wands here as well. You will come out of it victorious, okay? So don't worry about it. Let's open your cards and see what's in store for you now. So the first card I have for you here is the Four of Wands. Beautiful. High Priestess and the Strength card. Excellent. So why is the Four of Wands here, Spirit, for Sagittarius and their current energy? Four of Wands, Four of Wands, maybe you were looking for a reunion with somebody, Sagittarius, and that reunion hasn't really panned out the way you wanted. Maybe you were looking for stability, but it's crossed by the Hierophant and the Emperor. So yes, there is somebody around you who maybe did not offer it, or things didn't go the correct way. There was a mischievous element to this relationship, and as much as you were looking for a reunion with stability and commitment, I don't think things have really panned out the way you thought they would. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, with the High Priestess? Were there secrets kept here? Yes, somebody was juggling apparently, Sagittarius. Maybe somebody was in double mind, two minds about this relationship, and that gave you a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress because you were not never sure whether this person was going to commit, not going to commit. Maybe there were lots of secrets kept here in this relationship as well. So this, oops. Yes, this led to a lot of unhappiness for you, Sajis. There was no wish fulfillment here. This is past energy, so don't worry about it. Sleepless nights, going back and forth in your head, and worried about the secrets which may have been kept from you, or maybe it was you who was keeping these secrets towards somebody. Yes, in the present moment, I see that things have really not panned out the way you expected. Maybe you were expecting a fabulous reunion, taking back charge, taking back control, and stability and home was heavily on your mind, right? So in your future position, I see the Strength card. Yes, there is a tower moment coming, or maybe has already appeared, for which you have to be very strong, Sagittarius. What is this tower moment now? Let's see. What's this tower moment for Saggy Spirit? What's this tower moment for Sagittarius? Strength card again. It'll take you a lot of strength, Sagittarius. Maybe you've been stuck for a very long time. You have been waiting for some kind of an answer, and whatever this tower moment means to you, it's going to require you a lot of strength now to get out of this position. It could mean, this tower moment could mean picking yourself up with all your strength, getting out of the stuck position now, Sagittarius, and taking a leap of faith for the future, right? Maybe a brand new beginning of some sort where you have to be very strong to kind of get out of a very stuck place. But whatever it's going to be, Sagittarius, it's going to be really good for you, because here you are, the angels are blessing you with a lot of abundance coming your way. If you have been waiting, Sagittarius, you've been stuck for a long time, there's going to be a sudden movement which is going to pull you out of this stuck place and maybe give you a fresh perspective, a fresh journey, fresh life, something. And there are lots and lots of good things, treasures coming for you, for the one who waits, right? So you have been waiting, I can see that. But in December, I see you coming out of the stuck place now, okay? It's going to be sudden. It's going to require maybe a lot of strength on your part, or you have been very strong and waiting for a long time. But whatever changes are coming now, Sagittarius, is going to blow up. I mean, it's going to be that sudden, it's going to be quick. All these blockages that were in your life are going to just be a thing of the past now, where you will be able to now move forward in a fresh new way. Okay? So yes, all your strength and your commitment to your cause is paying off. Yes. You will be able to achieve something really great, because this promises a fresh new beginning, fresh new path. After all these sleepless nights of not being happy, of not having your wish fulfilled, things are going to start working out in December now. So let's see, what is it that you should hold on to. Okay, so if you have been persistent, Sagittarius, if you have been working towards a goal, Spirit says hold on to that. Whatever you're doing, you may feel it's amounting to nothing, and you've been stressed about it, you're not seeing the achievement. But Spirit is saying stay committed to this. Whatever you've been doing is going to definitely, maybe there is somebody around you who's watching you and will have some communication with you. This could be a boss, this could be a teacher, this could be a partner, this could be somebody who's going to have some clear communication. They are watching you hard at work here. And yes, there is an offer coming towards you as well. A fresh, brand new offer will be coming to you. Don't give up this pursuit. Whatever you are doing till now, whatever you feel, you're being juggled, or it's not manifesting, and you've been looking for that stability and growth, keep at it. Keep this commitment going. Don't give up. Okay, that's what this card means. Yes, there are major achievements which are in store for you. An offer will come your way in December. Okay, just don't give up what you're doing. One more card, Spirit, for what Sajis should hold on to? This could be a past offer, Sagittarius. This could be something which didn't work out in the past. Maybe for example, if you say were looking for a promotion and you requested your boss that, hey, can I have a promotion? And it wasn't met very kindly. Maybe somebody snapped at you, somebody was irritated towards you. This is somebody that you've already spoken to or had some communication from your past. Now, this same person, I think, or this could be in a love arena as well. Maybe you've had a fight with somebody from your past. I do see this person coming back now with romance or an offer or something, and to have some communication with you, as long as you don't give up, Sagittarius. You keep going, you don't give up. Okay, so stay very committed to whatever you've been doing. Know that all your hard work is going to end up in achievement now. Okay, so let's see, what is it that you should let go of? Knight of Wands. This in and out energy, Sagittarius, maybe sometimes you feel that you are going to go for something and then you get disheartened. So if you've had a bit of in and out energy of doing anything, maybe you hope something at work may work out, and then you go full gusto with it, and then you get disheartened, and then you pull back. This could be in a love relationship where you feel, yes, I want stability and I want to forever with this person, and then you dip out. So yes, you have to stop being at crossroads with whatever you're doing now, Sagittarius. Okay, so this is in the opposition of letting go, what you should let go of. Stop standing at crossroads forever. Make a firm decision and stick with it. If you've had trouble working with other people, Sagittarius, again, this is the same thing, right? You don't have to always win. Okay, if it's a group situation or at work or with a group of people, family members, you don't always have to win. Sometimes it's better that you put your guard down and say, okay, I accept that I don't have to be right each time. Okay, so sometimes it's just better to give up the struggle and keep doing what you do best instead of trying to be one up or try and anything that doesn't give you harmony, just stay out of it. That's what I mean to say. So anything else, Spirit, for what Sagittarius should let go of? Get over anger issues. Sagittarius, if you are the kind of person who gets irritated easily or gets angry or has a lot of pride and ego, Spirit is saying in the month of December, you are heading towards your victory and your achievement. You only stay committed to what you feel you can do and let others do what they want to do, right? If others want to, kind of play mind games, see through it, don't get angry, and you make your decision and you continue on one path. The repeating message here, Sagittarius, from what I see, is that in the past maybe you always felt let down, right? But you have tried and all your efforts are now going to fructify because but that's only if you A, stay committed, and B, don't get into any drama with any people. Don't get into any fights with anyone, okay? Keep your anger issues in check. So what is going to be your biggest blockage? Your biggest blockage here, Sagittarius, is the Knight of Pentacles, which means stagnation. Okay, so don't take things too slow also. Yes, what is keeping you not moving ahead is a self-imposed prison of yours. You're so in your head all the time. I think a lot of time of yours gets wasted thinking that it's not possible. I won't be able to do it. I won't get that promotion. That my lover will never return. I will not have love in my life. Whatever you're telling yourself, this is all in your mind. There's nobody telling you that, Sagittarius, except you yourself. Look at this person. They have a blindfold on. They have swords, yes, around them, but the path in front of them is totally open. They can walk out of this self-imposed prison anytime they want. There's nobody holding this person down except their own head, because they feel my eyes are shut. I'm sure, there's danger around, but there is none. Okay, so this will become a blockage for you. This overthinking, Sagittarius, and not making any movement in your life is going to become a blockage. So you continue continuously on your path, step by step by step. Stay committed, whether you see the fruits right now or not. Just know that you are heading towards achievement. Okay. So what else, Spirit, for their blockage? Sagittarius. Also, Sagittarius, the message I'm getting here is that sometimes I think you feel that you have to do it all by yourself. That I have to do everything. I am the one who has to provide. I am the one who. So all these thoughts of you, taking on all kinds of responsibility onto your head, makes you feel a little overburdened and a bit stressed out here. It's time now to nurture yourself. Yes, you somewhere this kind of thought process always makes you feel as if you are the abandoned one. You are the one who's always left out in the cold. So this is the month, Sagittarius. You have it all. Okay, you're coming across as the Nine of Pentacles. Somebody who is an achiever. Somebody who can create wealth and health and beauty for you, for around and around you. Okay, so instead of feeling abandoned, left out in the cold, stressed out, concentrate on building yourself up. Look good, work hard, and just kind of, take charge of your life now. Let's see, how do people see you? People see you as the Queen of Pentacles, Sagittarius. As much as you're putting yourself down, people here see you as loving. They see you as kind, they see you as nurturing, they see you as a person who takes responsibility, they see you as beautiful, they see you as the perfect partner. Okay, whether this is in work or business, you are the one who's the sensible one. You are the one who not only provides for yourself, but has the capacity, capability, and the will to provide for a lot of other people as well. So you're highly admired in the month of December. Yes, there is a lot of love around you too. There is somebody who loves you deeply and admires you. They may not always show it to you, Sagittarius. But yes, this is the person who will fight for you till the end. Okay, this is not a person who's going to back down. Whoever is in your vicinity, or whoever is your partner, or anyone around you, they love you a lot. This person may not show it all the time. I think they have a little bit of trouble showing their emotions to you, Sagittarius, or maybe this is how people view you, that you sometimes sometimes you show your love, and sometimes you get angry, but you are always the last man standing, whether you're bandaged and tired, but you always stand up and do the right thing always. And they also see that you're heading towards a brand new happy beginning for yourself. Okay, there's a lot of prosperity that people see coming into your life. Let's see what Spirit's secret message is to you. Spirit's secret message is the same, Sagittarius. It's the Five of Wands. Okay, this is not the time to be in competition with anyone. This is not the time to fight with anyone. This is not the time to be competing in a negative way. It's time now to drop any kind of competition. You have to now walk back to yourself. Come back to your original self as the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, if there is any conflict going around you, Sagittarius, this is the time to now drop this conflict altogether and return to yourself, right? You understand what I mean? Don't go towards any kind of conflict. Anything else, Spirit, as a secret message for Sagittarius? After this, I will take 3 cards for your work and your love life as well. Yes, Spirit is saying you don't have to fight, Sagittarius. Just drop the fight, because guess what's coming your way? A stable new beginning, a stable new offer, something that you've been expecting and working towards for a long time. It's going to bring in a lot of stability and happiness and abundance into your life. Okay, see these 10 pentacles, they're all yours. You have been working towards them, and now there's something that's going to start in your life. Maybe it's a new promotion, or maybe it's a new job, maybe it's an offer of something which is going to make sure that your stability is totally intact. And this is what you have been worried about for a long time, haven't you, Sagittarius? Your stability, it's coming. Okay, with the Ten of Pentacles, as Spirit's secret message to you, it is definitely coming. So let's see what we have for your work life. 3 cards for Sagittarius's work life, Spirit. It seems you've been having a lot of competition around you, Sagittarius, at work. Yes, maybe that you work for a organization or something where there are more than 2 or 3 people, maybe more. But yes, if somebody has been kind of always being one up on you, has been kind of irritating you, not giving you your due, it's always been their way or the highway. Please know in December, the sun is going to start shining once again, okay? Something is coming in for you even in your work life, Sagittarius, where you're going to have wish fulfillment, okay? Let's see what that is. 5 of Swords. 5 of Swords for Sagittarius. Yes, I think somebody has been giving you too much to do here. There's been overload of work that somebody has been putting on you. They have been testing you, I think, and it's always been like, somebody trying to win over you all the time or play mind games and putting you into a lot of burden in the past. But I do see the sun shining now. So what's coming up, Spirit, with the sun energy? What's the sun card for Sagittarius? A new offer, Sagittarius. There's something beautiful, creative new start, new beginning, new offer, which is going to make you very, very happy. So all your past work is not going to go in vain. I think somebody has been watching you, testing you, and you are going to be rewarded for being committed to your job or whatever you've been doing, whatever you've been committed on, okay? 9 of Cups. What's this wish fulfillment for Sagittarius? There is some fast communication coming for you, Sagittarius. There is some fast communication coming. If there has been confusion in your situation, if there have been many other people that somebody had to choose from, their decision is made and they're choosing one. Okay? And this, I think, is you. Because the communication is coming towards you that, hey, we've chosen one and it's going to bring you wish fulfillment here. Okay? So let's see what's coming in for your love life then. So work life seems good. Just stay committed. Work towards your achievement. People are watching you, okay? And maybe they are testing you to say how much can this person kind of not give up. So love life for Sagittarius, please. Love life for Sagittarius. Did you have a fallout with someone, Sagittarius? Maybe you were feeling very overburdened or overwhelmed and you pulled back your love from somebody. Maybe this person was a bit prideful or egoistic. I see you now becoming a little discerning with them. You have your sword up now. You're not going to let anyone kind of fool you anymore. But I do have the King of Cups here as well. So let's see where this goes. Queen of Cups, Spirit. Why is Saggy in the Queen of Cups energy? Somebody's coming back to you for their apology in your love life also, Sagittarius. If somebody has hurt you in the past and you've pulled away your love from this person now wants to come towards you with a sorry or an apology. So it's going to make you feel really good. It's going to validate you. It's going to bring back justice. Yes. If you've been feeling that somebody betrayed you or hurt you, when this apology comes to you, Sagittarius, you're going to feel like a winner once again. And you'll feel, oh my God, I was worrying for nothing. And now you, at least, if nothing else, even if you don't take them back, it'll give you validation. It'll make you feel good that, you were in the right and things are going to be put back into balance here. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords. Yes, now you've learnt your lesson, it seems, Sagittarius. Now, no longer are you going to trust anybody just like that. Now, your sword is up. Now, you're only going to go in for relationships which have equal give and take. You are going to demand that from the outset. Okay, you're not going to wait for somebody to mess you up ever again. You've grown up. You've become very, very intelligent and smart where your love life is concerned as well. And you're saying, hey, I'm not going to allow anyone in my energy till there is no balance and there is no equal give and take. Okay, so who's this King of Cups then, Spirit? Somebody here, Sagittarius, there's somebody here around you. Maybe you've been holding back from this person. This person wants to come out of hermit mode now. They want to make a choice. They still have a lot of attraction towards you. They do want to take action towards you. Now, it's going to be a total decision of yours now. Are you going to end this chapter with this person now, Sagittarius? Or are you going to start a brand new one? Okay, this person is, yes, this is, I think, the same person who does care for you a lot, but sometimes they don't show their emotions. King of Cups is not a emotionally available person. Okay, now that you know better, now it's totally in your hands now. Are you going to accept this King of Cups back in your life, or is it now time to close this chapter with them? Okay, now that you've seen through all the lies and all the deception, yes, this apology will come, which will make you feel good, but it's totally going to be in your hands as to whether you want to now deal with this person who's broken your heart. They broke your heart earlier. This person was a player, maybe came in and out of your life. This person made you feel sad and depressed. So now I think in the month of December, you're going to be making a choice here, Sagittarius, with the Lover's card. This is an active choice that you will be making to either start a brand new cycle with this person or close this chapter once and for all. Okay, but I do see you making a wise decision here because now you have the sword in your hand. Okay, it's no longer coming only from, a feeling of unconditional love. It's also coming from your intelligence as to how this person has behaved with you in the past. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Of course, we will keep checking weekly, but for now, this is just a general overview for the month of December. So till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.